In today's video, we are going for the most dangerous, dodgy and high security stealth camp I've ever done. Tonight, we're going to be attempting to stealth camp at Gatwick Airport. God almighty, the plane's coming over is sick! Gatwick Airport, the UK's busiest single runway airport and second largest in the country, with over 45 airlines operating daily and more than 38 million passengers a year. This airport can fly you to over 200 different destinations around the globe. In this video, I booked myself a holiday for one night into the long stay car park at Gatwick Airport. Ladies and gentlemen, we are T-minus 1 minute from Gatwick Airport. Oh god, the police are there. Doesn't help having all these cameras. I need to find the long stay car park, which I've booked a night into. I'm hoping what should happen, because I've registered my number plate, it should just scan my vehicle through the cameras, I would imagine, and let me through the barriers, but we'll find out, I guess. Cool, they're quite narrow. Go on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Any danger? Please wait a moment for the vehicle registration number to be scanned. The barrier will raise automatically. I've got the email and ticket confirmation. Scan if the barrier fails to open. What the hell, she's just gone straight through. Why is it not fucking working? Oh shit. I've just pulled a ticket. Oh bollocks. Well, I've paid £36 and it's done nothing. So I've just had to pull a ticket through. Jesus, I can hear the plane straight above me. Oh my god. The plane, that's sick. This is all very confusing. There's buses, there's planes overhead. I've just had to pull a ticket out even though I've paid for parking, so I do not really understand what's going on. How do you know what zone you are? I've never parked at an airport before, so time to try and now find somewhere to park up for the night. There are so many cars here. Obviously, why wouldn't there be? Everyone's going on holiday. There's no spaces. It's absolutely chock-a-block. There's the bus stop straight in front that will take you to the terminal to catch a flight. But, as I said, little do they know, I actually have no flight to catch. God almighty, the plane's coming over is sick! Mate, that looks so cool. Come on, please have a parking space down here. I want to be facing that way because the planes, as I've seen already, are coming from that direction. Right, there's a couple of spaces here. Lovely, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. I'm excited for this one, just because this is actually a pretty cool place to come and stay in the van. That is so cool. I've never been that close to a plane, apart from actually getting on a plane before. What a place this is to park up for the night. I know to a lot of people this is just the most stupid thing ever, and it even is for me, to be honest. But to do a stealth camp in a place like this, where there's actually a lot of stuff going on, there's buses driving by, there's trams, there's trains, and you've got the planes, what seems and feels like only 100 metres away. It's quite a unique experience, this. As you can see, the van is parked there, and there must be thousands and thousands of cars in this car park. The bus just keeps doing a loop all the way around the car park, picking up passengers at all these different stops, taking them to the terminal, which is over there, and then where those lights are is the runway. Here it comes. For obvious reasons, what I don't want to do is chuck on all of the lights while the curtains are still open and I haven't got the blinds covering the front, because obviously I don't want somebody to know that I'm actually going to be staying here overnight, because I'm pretty sure it's probably quite a high security risk. I would imagine they've got cameras everywhere watching all of the car parks and just security everywhere, obviously at Gatwick Airport. So before we crack on with tonight's dinner, I wanted to let you guys know about today's video sponsor, who I am very happy to say is actually BetterHelp. You guys know, if you've been watching the channel for a while, that I've very openly spoken about my own mental health struggles, and I think a huge part to my understanding and the self-awareness that I now have is all down to the therapy that I've been doing for the last couple of years. BetterHelp is the world's largest online therapy service, and it is completely 100% online. With BetterHelp, you can tap into their network of over 25,000 therapists who are licensed and professional. They can help you with a wide range of things that you might want to discuss and talk to someone professionally about. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, it can sometimes take a bit of time to find the right therapist, and it may take a few attempts and a few different people until you found somebody that you're completely comfortable with. However, the great thing about BetterHelp is the fact that you can change therapist at any time at no additional cost. If you want to check out BetterHelp for yourself, that's H-E-L-P, then you can do so by clicking the link in the top of this video's description, or you can go to betterhelp.com/Will's Whereabouts to get 10% off your first month of using their service. Big thanks to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. My mental health at the moment is intact and I'm in a good place. And now my stomach is hungry, so it's time to get on with tonight's dinner. We've got a pepper, we've got cream, we've got cheese, we've got onion, and we've got the main ingredients of chorizo and some chicken. The combination of chorizo, chicken, all of those flavours, and pasta, it doesn't get any better than that. No, I've had a nightmare. I've just realised I've completely forgot to get more pasta. I am an idiot sometimes. Pasta, please say I've got pasta. I've got lasagna sheets. Oh, god damn it. Oh god damn. It is bloody lucky that I've got rice, because I wouldn't be able to just pop to the shop and come back here. Some saucisson. Just going to dice up this chicken into cubes and then fry that off until it's all cooked. Let me tell you, the smells in here are unbelievable. So that main dish of the chicken, chorizo, peppers, a bit of tomato paste, cream, and a few other bits and bobs is done. Just waiting for the rice to boil up, And this meal is going to be delicious. Honestly, highly recommend it. Super simple to do and bloody tasty. So there we have it, tonight's dinner. Hopefully it looks as good on camera as it does in real life. Ideally you'd have this with pasta, but to be honest, I have literally had this meal, no word of a lie, for breakfast, lunch and dinner over the last 3 days. So maybe tonight having it with rice is a bit of a change up. It's just started to rain as well outside, which again is actually a good thing, because as much external or white noise as possible, for example the rain dripping on the van and the diesel heater being on, means I should hear the planes coming over a lot less. Oh, wow. Every time, no matter how many times I cook this meal, it tastes unbelievable. My God. It is miserable out here, that's for sure. This is what I'm going to be hearing in the van all night as I'm sleeping. I can confirm, Gatwick Airport, stealth camp, job done. I've got to say that, to be honest, I slept like an absolute baby. I thought I was going to have problems with the constant noise of the planes going over, but to be honest, no problems at all. I've woken up around 8 o'clock, the planes were still whizzing past, the buses, the lorries and all of the traffic coming in didn't bother me one bit. The only thing I'm slightly confused about, and I'm sure there's a few people that will be able to let me know, the planes now seem to be coming from a different direction. Before, they were coming from up there, just in front of my van, but now they're coming from this direction. I'm assuming that's because of something to do with the wind or the weather, but I really have no idea. So if you know why the planes are now coming from a completely different direction, please let me know in the comments, just out of pure interest. The rains are coming down yet again on another glorious day here in England. Scheiße, scheiße, scheiße. Well, it's time to say goodbye to Gatwick Airport for the time being, and time to head on out of here. And I've got to say, I've thoroughly enjoyed last night's camp, probably because it's a very unique, different experience. Although I know sometimes people have to camp out inside the actual airport when their flight gets delayed, when a flight gets cancelled. Unfortunately, I don't actually have that excuse or that reason to have camped out in the long stay car park at the airport. I'm just an absolute loser who wanted to come here for the pure fun and enjoyment of doing something different. Now, there's one thing this morning that concerns me. The fact that I pulled this ticket out the machine when I arrived last night, and I'm wondering, do you have to pay for this ticket and for your parking when you're inside the airport terminal? Because I can't see anywhere around here or any ticket machines at all that suggest you pay for this here. He's off on holiday, she's off on holiday. Have a nice holiday, love. Enjoy yourself. Get some sun. That was a quick holiday, wasn't it? Oh, what a sad, sad bastard I must be to come and park in a long stay car park at an airport for one night. Oh no, don't come behind me because I don't know what's about to happen. Oh shit. It's got a height barrier on it. Out the way, I need to go on the left. Automatic number plate recognition. Oh, the barrier's up. I'm very confused. I did not put the ticket in. Okay, well that was easy and nowhere near as dramatic as I was expecting. I either had a feeling that the barrier wouldn't go up at all and I'd have to put this ticket in and I'd then have to pay, or yeah, I have no idea. Maybe I'll have to pay for this afterwards. On that bombshell, we are now making our way out of Gatwick Airport. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know. Please make sure to give the video a like. Please make sure to subscribe. And as always guys, I will catch you in a future video.